It's never easy renovating a house, but someone's got to do it, and in the end it's always worth the sweat and dedication. After the basement came the daunting task of demoing out the ceiling, but all that hard work would soon pay off for this Ohio couple. When he pulled back the wooden boards, he couldn't believe his eyes. A hidden suitcase resting against a pipe, just sitting there covered in rust and dust. Many questions raced through his mind. How long has it been? What could possibly be in there? He reached for the suitcase, dumbfounded by its weight. He immediately called his wife and told her to hurry home, as he was anxious to discover what hidden treasures may lie within the suitcase. The couple sat in the garden to open the suitcase together. Then they went back and forth about what could be inside. Would it be cash, cards, receipts? They set their expectations low though, believing that some old sports cards would be the luckiest they would get. Boy, were they wrong. The newspaper found within the suitcase told the couple just how everything was. The Cleveland Plain Dealer newspaper was dated March 25, 1951, meaning that the suitcase had been stashed away for 65 years. It still left them wondering why it was so carefully hidden. They continued to dig around in the suitcase and finally got to the good stuff. The anticipation built as the homeowners lay 3 promising packages on the table. They were beyond grateful as they unearthed a stack of $20 bills. This kind of stuff doesn't happen to normal people like us. Where are the cameras? They exclaimed. Keep in mind they still had 2 packages left. Would they be as rewarding as the first? The second package didn't have any 20s. Even better, it had a stack of rare 50s. Now moving on to the third and final package, they were in total disbelief. The final package was full of $100 bills. Doesn't get much better than that, right? It gets better. The final amount came out to $23,000 with bills from 1928 to 1943, and some of them were extremely rare. The couple was now the proud owners of what they thought to be a mixture of treasures. What they didn't realize was that there was more in store. After a week of celebrating and lawyers, it was time for the couple to return to their normal lives. The DIY husband was back in action and determined to finish the renovations. He was astounded when he found a second suitcase was waiting for him, tucked away in the corner of the ceiling. The renovator was alone once again when he discovered the second suitcase. How had he missed it the first time? Overjoyed with excitement, he decided to wait for his wife to get home so they could uncover the mystery together, this time with a better gauge of what they'd find inside. The moment she walked through the door, they burst open the second suitcase. Just like the first, it was loaded with thick wads of cash. The grand total the second time around was mind-blowing. So how much money exactly did the couple encounter? $45,000 was the grand total. The couple put out a statement saying, "This was a wild ride for us and I hope you all enjoyed it too. We're boring people and have been dumping our extra money to pay off our mortgage, and that's where this money will go too." They thought this was the end to their discoveries, but it wasn't. Once the excitement of the money-filled suitcases had subsided, they returned back to finish the house. After everything that had happened, it led them to wonder about the strange door on the second floor. When they opened the door, it led to a chilling secret crawlspace. They noticed the door when they first moved in, but didn't think much of it, believing what the realtor had said. It's just an area storing a hot water heater. When they crawled through the space, they realized they'd been terribly fooled. They couldn't believe their eyes when they discovered the room for the water heater was an additional secret room filled with an assortment of carpet pieces that had led the way to another exciting surprise. This time he told his wife to wait, worried about what he might uncover. His mind started to race as he considered what could possibly be behind that door. To his disappointment, the door was locked shut. Not only was it shut by a master lock, but secured by a bolt. At this point, there was nothing stopping him getting into that door, so he rushed downstairs, grabbed a hammer, and started to pound. One bizarre thing he noticed while in the secret room was that the walls, floor, and ceiling were covered in white soundproofing and plastic tarp. That led him to think that this previous owner was committing a crime that he didn't want people to hear what he was doing up there. As expected, the secret room wasn't empty. A brown leather briefcase was lying on the floor, and after a little anticipation, he grabbed the briefcase and brought it downstairs. Whoever owned this briefcase had stored every valuable thing they owned in it. The items featured an ancient wooden box, envelopes packed full of money from different countries, watches, rings, a jewelry box, and 4 one-ounce silver ingots. Why was all this stuff hidden, and from who? The frightful room had even more mysteries to offer. He realized that there was a large black sentry safe on the wall, but this time he had a gut feeling that whatever was inside was horrific. This note is enough to scare anyone half to death who comes across it. A mortifying note that looked like it was straight out of a horror movie read, "Save yourself." But from what? As if the note wasn't enough, he continued to open up the safe, trying to convince himself that it was all a hoax. At this point, his hands were trembling with fear as he reached for one of the 6 videotapes. They were labeled 194, 1195, 11195, IV, 95, V, and one left blank. What could possibly be on these tapes? He ran out of the room and tried to forget about the horrific discoveries he'd found in his beloved new home. Days passed before he watched the tape, finally finding out the unthinkable truth about the home's previous owner. He posted his findings on Reddit after many sleepless nights, and to his surprise, the FBI quickly got in touch. The details are still confidential as the investigation unfolds, but the tapes are rumored to showcase disturbing criminal acts. All of the other items found were related evidence.